Hello friends, today we will see ANSI assistance. So in ANSI assistance, we can check the corner from the part, blend radius from the part, draft face and label to cut. So these options are available in NC Assistant so that we can decide which type of tool we can use, what are the dimension of tools and their length. We can also analyze with the help of this NC Assistance. Let's see this with the example. So here I have the same part. Now let's go to analyze, and from analyze we will get this NC Assistance. In NC Assistant, complete body is selected automatically. Now the first analysis type is label. We use these label while we are performing the cavity mill or Z level profiling and some more option. So we need this label. So click reference vector. So reference vector is in Z direction. So click this. So Z direction is the direction of tool. That's why I have selected Z direction. Reference plane, if you want to assign any reference plane, so select the top face. This is my top face. Right now click this analyze geometry. So it will analyze the geometry. Here we will find some different color. So for understanding this color, click here information and we will get one information window. In this information window, we will find the type of analysis. This is label. And if you will come here and you can see the deep blue, that for deep blue it is minus 52 from top. This face is minus 52. The depth from the top is 52. Strong green, this green is minus 37 from the top face. This top face is my reference face. So from reference face, this depth is 37. And sign color, this is a sign color. It is 24 from the top face. And deep red, this is a deep red, which is minus 4. And strong magenta is a 0, which is the top face. Okay. For next option is corner. Select this corner. The limit is minus 52 plus 50. This is the limit. If you want to change, you can also change it, but no problem. Just analyze this and we will get the result and see. Deep blue is 5 degree. This deep blue is a 5 degree radius and the strong gray is a 2 mm radius. So we can use minimum 2 mm dia tool for this radius. Okay. So here if you will see, this is a corner and this corner is a radii. So 2 is a radius, so diameter will be 4. So we need 4 mm tool for this corner. Next is for blend. Rest fillets which are available on the part, we can also see their radius. See deep blue. Deep blue is this one. This is 8 radius. And for green, see this green one is 5. And again sign, this sign is 2. Deep red is again 2, which is on the different side or different face, right? And the deep yellow is 12. Here it is 12. So we will get the blend radius from this blend. And draft, the draft is negative to positive 90 degree. And generate and see. Here for just cancel it. Again see the draft. In draft, the blue color 90 degree negative, we have anywhere this blue. See this one. Okay. And then 2 degree for this green. Sign, for sign 4 degree, this is 4 degree. And red is 5.64 degree. Magenta, this is the magenta 45 degree. And yellow is 90 degree. this is 90 degree, right? So hope you understand this. Before starting any operation, you need to check all the radius, draft and label, so that we can properly decide which option is suitable and which are the tool we can use for this operation, for this part. Hope you understand this. Thank you for watching. Friends, today I am going to show you how to create the tool, and if you have certain tool, so how to export your tool in NX CAM library, or how to save any type of tool with NX. So here you can see these all are the engraving tool. This is the T cutter tool with solid carbide, and this one is indexable T cutter slot. And few tools are here. This is a ball mill tool, and this is end mill, and this is ball mill or bullnose tip radius tool. These are indexable tool. So today we will create one manual tool, and then we will save that tool into library. So come to this machine tool view, and here you can see I have one tool, one more tool. So for this tool, double click here and open this tool. For tool, go to this create tool, and here we will find so many type of tool. If you are using planar mill, so these all are the tool which you can create your own. Click here and you can add. If you are using hole making, so all the drilling or hole making tools will available. If you want to create any type of tool, you can select counter shank, standard drill, counter bore, tap, threading tool. These all tools are available. If you want to create your own, you can use from here. And similarly with turning, for all the turning tools are here, you can create your own tool. And come to this mill contour. Here we have a tool library. If you want to use any tool from the library, you can select from here. This is milling, drilling, turning and so on. For milling, I am using non-indexable or indexable. Double click here. This is indexable tool, and if you will click OK, and you will find all the library tool. And one more tool you can see here. This is my own tool which I have saved here, so I can use it at any time because this tool is saved with my library. So cancel it. Cancel. First go to create tool, and here I am entering the value like end mill 20 R 0.8. This is a tool. Now define the parameter, flute length, radius, and now come to this library, and here for library reference CCM underscore end mill 20 R 0.8, right? This is a reference, library reference number. Now export tool to library, click here, and where you want to save non-indexable, this is an indexable tool or non-indexable tool. This is indexable tool, so I am selecting indexable. Click OK. Holder, I am not selecting any holder, so the tool will save. If you want the holder, you can also retrieve the holder from the library. Tool is saved. OK, and here you can see the tool is here. Now I am going to delete this. Now let us check this tool in library. So create tool, and from library milling indexable tool, OK, and see CCM end mill 20 R 0.8. 20 is the diameter. OK, if you want to add any description, I will tell you where to add this description, like this insert cutter 20. This description will come. Cancel and see this tool, right? This is our tool. For description, if you will create new tool, so here is the description. You can add your own description, then only it will be visible in the library. So this is the way to add a tool in the library so that you can multiple time use the same tool.